Hey everybody, Mr. Washam here, coming to you straight out of the 70s on Decades Day. Thank you to everybody who participated this week in Spirit Week. You can find all the pictures up on Instagram at Mr_Washam. This week we did some groovy graphing for lesson 3, baby, yeah. And you can find that in Google Classroom under lesson 3. And you can see that we did the following graph practice. First, we took notes. Your notes are posted there, and you can use your notes to help you complete these two data tables and make them into a graph. That exact information can also be found in this video, which I will link up at the end of this video, that shows you how to graph in Google Sheets on the Chromebook. We did some graphing on the Chromebook, and we practiced using the exact same data tables so that you would have an answer key for those practice graphs. The two graphs that were assigned as homework were September daylight, which you can find right here, and turkey chicks. September daylight should be completed on paper, and turkey chicks should be completed on the Chromebook. Again, if you need the notes, it's located in Classroom. Shows you how to graph or how to make a graph. And I have the video right here somewhere. I will post right here in Classroom. Click the link here, right? I will post it here on YouTube. Click the link and you can see how to make the graph in Google Sheets. All right, that's all. Have a groovy weekend, everybody. See you next week for WashamScience.